Hello students, how are you all? So today we will discuss about traditional music of the world of our GK book. So let's begin. So read the description about the traditional music of the world. So students, we will be discussing about some of the traditional music that we used in the world. So first is the gang is a percussion instrument found in music throughout South Asia. So students, first of all we have to learn these things. Okay, so we have to learn it. So please students, learn it. Okay, now we will do the another one, that is Oscar Awards. So the first is the fill in the blanks with the help of help box. So students, these are the fill in the blanks and we have to fill them with the help of the help box. So let's begin with the first one. The Academy of Motion Pictures Art and Science is fondly called Oscars. Oscars. Then the second one is the first award function was held on dash at Hotel Roosevelt in Hollywood, that is on 16th May 1929. 16th May 1929. Okay, then third one, they broadcast on TV since 1953. So we are going to write it here, 1953. Then fourth one, the youngest ever Oscar winner is dash. She was only 10 when she won it for the film The Pepper Moon. So that is Tatum O'Neil. So we are going to write it here, Tatum O'Neil. Then next one, dash has won more Oscars than anyone else, 26 out of 64 that he was nominated in. So that is Walt Disney. Disney. Okay, then sixth one, the most Oscar ever won by a single film is 11. The films are dash, Titanic and the Lord of the Rings, The Return of the Ring, that is Ben-Hur. We're going to write it here, Ben-Hur. Okay, then the best film in the 74th Oscar in 2002 was dash, that is A Beautiful Mind. Beautiful Mind. Then eighth one, in 1955 the best film award went to dash, that is Forrest Gump. Forrest Gump, G-U-M-P, Gump. Okay, then the main actor of Forrest Gump was Tom Hanks, that is Tom Hanks. Okay, then 10th one, The Silence of the Lambs got the best film award in 1992, that is 1992. Then the next one, 11th one, Julia Roberts, one of the great actresses of Bollywood, got the Best Actor award in 2000 for the film Erin Brockovich, that is Eric Brockovich. Erin Brockovich. Okay, then 12th one, She is the presenter and anchor of so many programs, especially Oscars. Her name is Wimpy Dash, that is Wimpy Goldberg. Wimpy Goldberg. Okay, so now let's begin with the next one, that is famous TV shows. So students, we have to write the famous name of the famous TV shows. So here is a description of some of the famous TV shows. See the pictures of these shows and name them. So now let's begin with this. This show received an overwhelming positive response and feedback from both critics as well as the public opinion. This show highlights sensitive social issues prevalent in India. A talk show that aired as various channels within Star Network along with DD National. So that is Satyamev Jayate. Okay students, now this show presents dramatic version of crime cases occurred in India. The basic idea behind the activities occurring in their neighborhoods, and they can protect themselves. So that is Crime Patrol. Crime Patrol. Okay, then third one. This show is based on the UK game show Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. This show has turned from a quiz show more into a show fulfilling dreams of people. This show first aired in 2000, initially offered contestants the chance to win up to 7 crore rupees. So that is Kaun Banega Crorepati. कौन बनेगा करोड़पति. Okay, now fourth one. This show is an adaptation of pop idol format. It started airing in India with the first season in 2004 and 5 on Sony Entertainment Television. So that is Indian Idol. Okay, then fifth one. This reality show based on the original Dutch Big Brother format developed by Joan D. Mol. A number of contestants live in a purpose-built house and are isolated from the rest of the world. So that is, yes students, Big Boss. Now, this show has constituted a captive viewers for a record of 18 years. This show is hosted by Rajesh Sharma. He has grilled over 800 personalities with the landmark smile in the longest running television show in India's television history. That is Aapki Adalat. Okay students, so this is how we have to do these exercises. So students, this is how we have come to the end of this part, and in the another part we will discuss the further topics of this book.